Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this, what we call this screw holder of this car bumper, and also this screw slot. We're going to fix that. Okay, I already made a hole. I'm going to put in a screw with a flat head. I want to make sure that it's going to be a little bit deeper so that when I patch it with some epoxy later, it won't show up. Okay, first thing is we're going to establish this screw by putting in some epoxy. You want to establish it first so that it's not moving. This is where this part will hold on to later. I hope you can see that. I want to add some more. The water allows me not to mold this epoxy much easier. Okay, let's put something that could hold it onto place until it solidifies. I'm going to use this one. I hope you can see that. We'll wait for 2 hours and then we'll add more epoxy. Okay. Okay, now that it has solidified, it did not stick onto this one. I'm going to drill a hole. We will add another epoxy so that this staple wire is going to connect with this wire, with this screw. I bent the wire downwards. Okay, let's wait for it to dry again. Okay, it has hardened. Now we're going to connect these broken parts. Now I'm going to insert some wires and apply some epoxy later. Now let's put some epoxy there. I'm gonna use some cellophane because I don't want the epoxy to stick onto the cardboard. Use anything that can keep this in place. Okay. If this is too wide, I'll probably just use some washer to be able to lock it into the body of the car. Just use the remainder here. Okay, so we'll let it dry again. This is a Grit 1000 sandpaper. Okay, it has hardened. Let's remove it. Hope I can show you the underside. Unfortunately, I can't show you anymore. Okay, so you were able to fix this hole where the screw is going to get in. I doubt if I can show you the actual installation of this one because the space under the car is very tight. So that's it. I hope you like the video and looking forward to seeing you on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, sorry, I forgot to show you that I also painted this screw slot. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.